guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Nature Box unboxing video. If you don't know what Nature Box is, it's like a super healthy thing that has no added sugars and stuff like that is bad for you. It's like a super good snack. And the crazy story about this is I have been like watching Nature Box unboxings like last night before I went to bed. And when I woke up this morning and I was telling my mom, hey, it's going to come today, Well, then it came, and it came probably 10 minutes ago or so. So now I'm just going to open this and let's see what we got. And this is just the, sample box type thing where you get miniature snacks and one big surprise snack. So, all you have to do for this one is pay for shipping. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. Alrighty. Welcome to Nature Box. This is cool, okay? So you get this little thing. Very vibrant color. Here is all of the little snack size things. So first I'm just going to start out with what's on top. This is the sweet blueberry almonds. Ugh. So here is what they look like. They're like little blue almonds. Don't really taste like blueberry, but it's really sweet, and it's just regular almond underneath, and it's like a powder, is what it is. Very good. There is this Masa Crisp corn chips with flaxseed. I've never had flaxseed, but I've heard Dr. Oz talk about it. He talks about everything like that type of stuff. Oh, these are cool looking. They don't look too good. It looks like a little cookie, but it's really not. It reminds me of a chocolate chip cookie, but it's really salty.
It's really salty.
It tastes like a tortilla chip that you would use with salsa. It's not that graham. Just tastes like a tortilla chip. Next is the jalapeno cashews. And this is jalapeno covered cashews. I just had almonds a minute ago, so this is like a savory, spicy. They smell like nothing. They just look like a cashew. Still don't smell like anything. Oh gosh. Oh. I'm a person that loves spicy stuff, but man, it don't have much flavor. It just burns your tongue off. That's what this is. It's weird. I don't know if it's how I have allergies or what, but it don't have much of a taste. It just burns your tongue off. That's pretty good though. And last of the little miniature bags, the snack bags, is this cranberry medley. And this is pomegranate and acai flavored dried cranberries with blueberries. Oh my god. I can't smell. I don't know why I'm trying to smell this stuff. So this basically just looks like a dried up cranberry. It's really good. Cranberry is good. And then this is a blueberry. They literally looks like raisins, just different fruits. Blueberry is also good. That's real good stuff, man. I got some good food. And this, as soon as I seen this, I'd set this down. I was literally, everything's happening today, okay? Well, I was literally telling my mom, if we get, like you're supposed to get the big bag, that I hope we get the little chocolate nom-noms. Well, check this out. Mint cocoa oat cookies. I got what I said. I'm like, I don't know what I am. I got something going on in my brain. Everything's happening that I say. This is nuts, okay? But we're just going to eat this. I literally cannot smell anything. There's like not very many in here. There's only like 4 in this bag. But whatever. Alright. So these are just, look like that. They look like a humongous fat oatmeal cookie. And these have oats, almonds, honey, sugar, dark chocolate, chips in it, cocoa powder, stuff like that. So, yeah, let's just try it. Oh man, that's good. Dark chocolate is my favorite. And this tastes like dark chocolate, like the aftertaste does. Oh, this is really good. Oh my god. It's delicious. That's so good. Oh my god. I want to know how to make this right here. So good. Alright. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I was not sponsored or anything. My mom bought this with her own money and everything. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.